Families that are enrolling in Medicare for the first time often have the same question. They want to know, are Medicare premiums tax deductible? So the answer is yes. The Medicare premiums that you pay are at least partially deductible, but only up to a certain point. So usually any Medicare expenses you incur that exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income can be deducted from your federal income tax. Plus, out-of-pocket costs like, say, doctor's office copays or coverage deductibles can almost always be written off. Now, when you visit the doctor or the pharmacy, do me a favor, be sure to keep the receipts for all of your expenses so that they are easy to find when tax time comes. You're going to thank me later for that tip, I promise. Also, keep in mind that it is definitely best to seek advice from a tax professional when deducting your Medicare expenses to ensure that your accounting is accurate.